what do they call this? A jeepney. Jeepney. Sort of open-sided pickup. I wanted to ride on the back, on the Outriders, and so did Max. But the driver wasn't so keen. Well, actually, he just didn't want Max to. He didn't mind about me, did he?
Well, I wouldn't want you to then.
No. Where are we going?
Where? How far is it? I don't really know. Waterfalls.
We're going to some waterfalls. And somebody has got beautiful new toenails. Look at that. Wow. Okay, we're here, we've arrived. And now we're going to walk with our lifeguard. He's going to take us down to the falls. Yeah, let's go. I can hear people whooping. Woo! What do you reckon, kids? Who's going to give it a go?
I think I'm
Woo! Well done! Yay! Well done! Next one. Indiana's up. Ready, Indiana? Woo! Yeah, well done, Noodle. Woo! Max is going again.
Daddy, I want to do it again.
Go, Maxie. Woo!
Yeah. Can you video me?
Oh, wait.
Daddy, could you video
There's
me?
Jake.
Jake,
Jake, come on.
No, I don't.
This little girl's going. Woo!
Daddy, video me. Daddy.
Jakey, hurry up! I got the video going. Jakey's coming up. Here comes Jakey. Here comes Jake. Go, Jakey! Big swing out, Jakey! Woohoo! Yeah, go, big swing! Woo! Yeah!
That's so fun.
It's good, isn't it? Well done. Awesome. Well done. Go, follow Max. Follow Max out. It's easier. The route that Max is taking is easier. Max is going again! Check out this dude! Do a big one. Big one. Lean back. Wow. Go, Max! Woo! Brilliant, well done. Awesome. Get out of the way for Indiana. Move out of the way. Okay, ready, Indiana? Somersault! Awesome, well done. Go, Lika! Woo! Well done. Jake's coming again. Another one for Jake. Well done. Brilliant. Okay. Okay, you ready? Okay. Try not to. Indiana's advice, don't slip. Useful. Mind out of the way. Mind out of the way. Okay, go Jakey! Go, 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 big one! There he is.
Did you see my face?
Go on, Indiana, big one! Big, 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 big! Mind out of the way, mind out of the way. Whoa!
I slipped!
You slipped, I could tell. Uh-oh. Here comes Monkey Champion. Hold on tight. Tight. It's a big one. Whoa, Monkey Champion! Woo! Oh, here comes Lika doing a big one. Woo! just stopped off here on the way back to have a look at this beautiful old convent building. Look at this. Isn't that stunning? So beautiful. Really high ceilings. Lovely stone and wood building. That's the convent. Surrounded by these huge, lovely trees. And then there's the church over the road. Beautiful looking church. Go and have a look inside the church. I'm now going to have a quick look in the church. Inside this beautiful church, it's an amazing building. It's really big. Pretty big congregation in here. It's a little bit ramshackled and falling apart. Shutters falling apart. And beautiful there. All the way, big doorway. Rickety rackety stairs going up to the top. I bet it's used every single day. Pews look in very good condition. Absolutely beautiful. It looks like it's undergoing the restoration. (1884). 1884 is the date. So old. Say bye-bye! Music in the back of the van. That's in yellow. Mamba and Max.
It's my new thing.
I called it a van, it's a jeepney. Jeepney. That's Vika and Jigamaroo. Is that little school? There's a school, there's a zone of peace. School. Some nice people waiting at the bus stop. Somewhere. Speedy Gonzales on his motorbike. Speedy. Oh, he's got a helmet. Wow. First dude I've seen wearing a helmet. And here we are back at Cocoa Grove with the welcomes board. And we'll go and see what Mackie's up to. Mackie the parrot. Mackie's doing dancing with Jake and Max. Boys dance, Mackie dances. Oh, he stopped dancing now. He's shy now. I'm filming him.
Mackie.
Mackie.
Mackie. Mackie. Mackie. Mackie. Mackie. Mackie. Mackie.